Cold and Flu Home Remedies. Ginger tea. Ginger tea not only tastes good, but also helps in treating common cold and cough. The tea helps in drying running and dripping nose, thus expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. Gargle with salt water. This is an age-old therapy that effectively treats cough and cold. Adding turmeric in this salt water is also beneficial. Carrot juice. This uncommon home remedy is great to fight common cold and cough. It may sound strange, but this interesting drink helps in relieving common cold and cough.